Damn, whoever your barber is fucked your ass up. You got some nasty ass hair. What the fuck? Yes, and if you're wondering, that barber was me. I really fucked these goddamn shoes up. And I'm fucking so... What the fuck, bird? You were in the last goddamn video. I'm getting a little jealous of your flight, and I'm about to fucking shoot you. Just kidding, I'm very peaceful. I'm actually a vegan. But no, look at these shoes, bro. Look at the suede on them. What the fuck? I did the mistake of cleaning these shoes with water. Yes, please, before you comment how retarded I am in the comments. This is my first time working with suede shoes. Not working, I'm not fucking working shit. Wearing suede shoes, and they got fucked up. I don't have a suede eraser, so I don't know how to fucking take the white marks out of the suede. I do have a normal eraser though, because I'm a scholar, you already know. We got that pink eraser, but no, we're not gonna do that. I don't want to fuck up the suede more than it is. But I learned a new trick. Fuck that. Hold up 1 second. I learned one trick on how to fucking make that shit pop again. These shoes, if you look at the suede, this is the worst part. Don't stop cringing. Look at that. Look at that suede on that. It's just trash, flat as shit. Just like an 80-year-old fucking dude with no Viagra. Flat as shit. Look at that. And the trick is to take any brush like this. You can use a toothbrush, it doesn't really matter. It just needs to have some nice soft bristles. And you get your shoe and you go... Alright, I fucked it up a little bit. This was super flat when I started, so I just started this video. Let me try to get the other shoe right here. This one is a little better, but it's still flat as shit. You can kind of see the comparison right here. I'm not done with these. I'm gonna finish them in this video. But they're just flat, flat, flat. What you want to do is take your brush and just start scrape. Don't do it too hard. Just gotta lightly scrape it. Then go the other direction. I learned this on another video, and he said that it's like unnapping hair. And don't get me wrong, I have no fucking idea what that means. I'm white. Not to be fucking racist, but my hair doesn't get napped. Or I don't know what that means, bro. You just move around, and it's kind of working. It's kind of suedey, this part right here. It got a little better. These are trash though. The tops on them, there's no hair left on them. This came like this. I bought these for $60. If you guys check out my videos, you know I bought these for $60, and they pre-came, not like the little pre-teens that come whenever they see a titty. They already came with some fucked up suede. It's kind of working. This is gonna be tough though, because this suede is really fucked on these. Alright, so you get the point, right? You just move back and forth all directions until it gets a bit... It's getting better though. You kind of see it's a little better than the beginning. I'm gonna be right back when the shoe is completely done. Alright, your friendly neighborhood hairstyle is back, and I've been doing this for a couple of minutes now, and it's really turning out pretty good. I'm not done with them, but look, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill this bird, dude. Alright, I'm vegan. Jeez. Alright, but look, I'm gonna assure you this didn't do that before. Look, I haven't touched these, but look at that. Just look at these, bro. The fuck are these, bro? It just feels way way smoother than whatever this. I'm talking like it's bad. I'm like it's good. No, it's bad for having like smooth suede. It's not supposed to be like this. It just feels like cheap leather, synthetic leather, and just that's what it used to be on this. Look how flat it is, just flat. Now you can actually see the hairs. This used to be just like the flat one, but by just brushing it, just brush your fucking hair. Look at that, just suede. That's just suede. So that's how you do it. I'm gonna continue doing this whole shoe because the whole fucking uppers are suede, and they're all trashed. But it's gonna take a lot, like 3 hours. So I just wanted to end this video right now. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the off-white case. It's coming in a bit. That's why this video is not that. But thank you for watching, and fuck you.